Hi guys, Dr. Sinicropi here coming at you from the Wellness at the Speed of Light studio. Just had an amazing podcast with someone who's become a good friend, Dan Zeman. He's an exercise physiologist. All you have to do is read some about him, read his books, read what he's done in the physiology field. He was a huge reason that Greg LeMond was able to extend his career so long. He's been with the Timberwolves for a long time. He's worked with almost every professional organization. But the reason I decided to make this video was some of the things that came up in our discussion today are just so important to talk about. And I'm just trying to get this message out as much as we can. We were both in complete and total agreement on two things. One, the current healthcare system model is not working to reverse chronic diseases and improve our health. Every single chronic disease is getting worse. That is obesity, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, autoimmune diseases. We can go on for a long time. The other thing that we were in complete and total agreement on, and we're on agreement on most things, is the fact that the American mindset is broken, okay? We need to fix the way we think about preventing us from getting sick. Is our goal really to be sitting in a nursing home for 10 to 15 years, sick, immobile, being pushed around in a wheelchair with dementia, all of which might have been preventable if we made the right lifestyle choices? The ocean apart that we're on between the American mindset and what we really need to do to prevent and reverse a lot of these chronic lifestyle-based diseases, it's very wide. But if we're not talking about this, if we're not passionate about it, we're never going to be able to reverse this slow train wreck that is occurring right now. We need to be talking about nutrition, dieting, exercise. We need to talk about mental health. We need to talk about ways to be in parasympathetic states. How do we live our lives? There's so many simple solutions. They're not easy, but they are simple, and we really need to get that out there. We also need to be talking about this scientific evidence that is mounting on a daily basis on biohacks such as photobiomodulation and oxygen therapy and all these other things that can help reverse this nightmare that we're living in. $4.4 trillion of sick care. It's getting worse. We have to change the American healthcare system. We have to change the American mind, and we have to get people being CEOs of their own healthcare, or we are going to be overwhelmed with sick people. Hospitals will be overwhelmed. We won't be able to pay the bills. And guess where we're all going to end up? Sick and disabled in nursing homes. Is this what we want? Is this what we want? I'm trying to make a difference. People like Dan are trying to make a difference. So many amazing people are trying to make a difference. We can't stop. No matter how much pushback we get, we can't stop. So sorry about the rant. We'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care of your families and be healthy and be well.